Hello, fellow translators. Hello, fellow freelancers. This is a very quick video because I just wanted to announce that in case you like one of my courses, or maybe you think one of these courses that are available here would be good for someone you know, now is actually a perfect time to tell them about it because I'm starting a referral system. And so what does that mean? That means that I'm going to pay commissions, 30% commission on any referral. In essence, if you refer any one of these to one of your friends, to someone you know, to anyone, and they buy it, you get 30% of it. And the way it's done is you fill out the form that's in the description below, and that way, anytime you link to any one of my courses, it's with a personalized, a customized link there, and it gets automatically tracked, and that way you can get paid your 30%. This is actually, it wasn't even my idea, but I do something similar with my business with Lugano Translations. And so someone mentioned that I should do this with my course. And I remembered that I had done something with Adrian Probst when I did an interview with him. And I offered, he had some deal basically through his video. And so I set up the link with him. And I didn't even think to do it with other people, but actually, there's no reason why I can't do it with anyone. So if any one of you wants to recommend my course or send it to someone and you'll be able to earn a little money in the meantime, feel free to do so. You can earn your 30%. Just fill out the form down below, and that's pretty much it. I'll leave it at that. I just wanted to make that quick announcement in case any of you are interested. Okay, till next time. Savedum.